So a part 2 of tips and tricks. Obviously, I'm going to use a heavier slip on this one. When it comes to edge finishing, the most efficient and fastest way is to, obviously, get this going. Most efficient and fastest way to wrap your edges, even if they're wet. I'll get this into position. There we go. Is you have 2 options. One is you take a miniature blower like this, and you have the excess water, mainly the excess water that sits in that tiny little gap there is what you're aiming to get rid of. So we can take one of these, and you're going to blow that little excess out of the edge. Okay, and then once you've done that, you're going to take your heat gun, or you will notice that the film does stay tacky anyway, but if you have your heat gun, do a light heat and you'll be able to come around and wrap your edges, yeah? So very good. Like you say, the slip allows the adhesive to stay very tacky on its own. I haven't used heat there, but if you use a little bit of heat on that edge and you wrap it around, very fast, very efficient, okay? And then there's a second version like we recommend using the negative iron hairdryer because it has the heat, has the negative air all in one go. It's extremely fast. That means I can come from fitting my film wet like this, coming around, I'll line this up again, apply it, there we go. And you've probably, if you're bulk fitting, you're cutting this. If you're pre-cut, the edge is going to be lined up. Then you're going to take your negative iron hairdryer. Now, a top tip from me is when you see, sometimes you can get a tiny bit of moisture on this outside edge that gets trapped. So heat up the outside first. All right, and run your squeegee along the edge, just so you make sure there's no moisture trapped just in behind there before you start. And then soon as you start to heat up the inside, you're aiming to blow out some of the excess. You don't necessarily have to get it dry, but aim for the panel and the adhesive side. So they're both the same temperature and you're blowing out some of the excess slip. Negative iron is cancelling out the slip effect. It's going to get rid of some of the excess. You're going to heat up the adhesive, heat up the panel. It's a very fast finish. So like this, I heat it like this, and then immediately, as you can see, I'll do it section by section so you can see that it's sticking. And again, you can come around, and if you have your squeegee wrap glove, extremely fast, extremely efficient edge finishing. Okay, so that's the tips and tricks on the edges. Okay guys, so we have a third little tip and trick that's again, using the negative iron hairdryer. This is an extremely useful tool when it comes to utilizing this spray and very fast edge finishing. Now, when it comes to doing a wet style installation, and on most vehicles, you have these panel gaps. You can see them at the top, you can see them in different areas. We have it on the trim here, we have it in here. Now, what can happen when you get excess slip and it builds up inside these gaps and on the edge, and you're trying to finish off your film into this area, it doesn't want to stay on that little piece there, because what can happen is when you pick it up, it can suck the moisture back in from these gaps. Especially when you have these air channels, it can be very tricky to get the film to stay in there. Okay, so this is a little tip and trick, is to take your negative iron hairdryer. Again, it won't blow any dust into it because it has the negative air. But what you're going to do is just heat the panel. Don't necessarily aim for the glue. Keep some of the spray there, but aim for this panel. And the negative iron air also can leave a negative space or a negative charge on the paint itself, and it will clear out some of this excess. So what I'm going to do, and this is just a tip when I'm coming up to a panel edge like this, is to get my negative iron hairdryer, and I'm going to heat the panel up and clear the excess moisture in the gap that is going to stop me from being able to get a really tight finish. So as I show you, and I put light heat on the panel, and this allows me to come in and finish my film like immediately, keeping some of the moisture on the actual paper itself, like this, and it's an immediate kind of hold in the area. I can come in probably after a couple of seconds. You may even want to just check it with heat on top. heat on top, and now it'll be tacky, and I can just come in, trim that, and it's finished. So that's just a neat little tip and trick that you can utilize in these gaps. Leave out a few centimeters, just pop it out, blow out the excess. You're creating a negative charge on the paint, creating a little bit of warmth on there, and immediately as you squeegee the slip that you've left on the adhesive side, it will allow the finish to stay there, but it also allows the film to tack immediately into position. Okay, so that's a neat little tip and trick.